It's a new 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA. The curves seduce the eyes and the sharp lines hold your gaze. When you get a taste of the performance, you'll know dreams do come true. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, driver control suspension management, engine auto stop-start feature, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, wireless phone connectivity, and auto-shift manual transmission. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.